Hello students, let us write this question. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing numbers. So in this question, we have given the factor trees for 60 where we have considered the factors of number 60. So if you look at the first diagram, we can see that there is number 60 which we have factored into 6 and 10 because we know that 6 into 10 will give us again 60, and this 6 is further factorized into two numbers, and this 10 is also factorized into two numbers. We need to find out this missing number. Similarly, we have factorized 60 in some different order, and we have to find out the missing values here. So let us consider the first example. So we have 60 which we have factored into 6 and 10. Now this 6 is further factorized, and one of the factor is 2, and for 10 we have further factorized and in 2, and one factor is 5. We need to find out the remaining factor. Now we know that first we have done is 6 in 60 is given as 6 into 10. Now we have for 6 we have factorized it in two numbers, and one of the factor is 2. Now we need to find out the remaining factor, and we know that 2 into 3 will give us 6. So therefore the missing value here will be 3. Similarly for 10, one of the factor is 5. So the remaining factor will be 2 because 5 into 2 will give us 10. So we can write here that the missing numbers are 3 and 2. Similarly, let us consider the second question. So here we have 60, which is factorized into 30 and question mark. Then this 30 is factorized into 10 and another number. We 10 and another number which we need to find out, and this 10 is further factorized into two other numbers which we need to find out. Now the first is we have given 60 and we have factorized this into two number, and one of the factor is 30. So the remaining number has to be 2 because 30 into 2 will give us 60. Now further we have factorized 30 into 2 number, and one of the factor is 10. So the other number has to be 3 because 10 into 3 will give us 30. Now we have 10, and we need to find out the two factors for this 10. Now 10 can have many factors, like 1 into 10 will also give us 10, then 2 into 5 will also give us 10, 5 into 2 will also give us 10, or we can say that 10 into 1 will also be there. So we can say that, but we have but if we consider the prime factors, so we can say that therefore the missing numbers are 2, then 3, then 5 and 2. See here we have considered the concept of factorization in order to find out the missing numbers. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.